First up, the viral favorite COSRX Advanced Snail 19-2 Mucin Cream is packed with 92% snail mucin to hydrate, repair, and calm to skin. Ultra light but deeply moisturizing, perfect even for sensitive skin. Use it day or night for that silky, dewy finish. Tocobo's Collagen Brightening Eye Gel Cream is a vegan formula with lavender and retinol alternatives. It helps to reduce puffiness, fine lines, and dark circles. The Solid Jelly Mist from Laundryou gives an instant boost of hydration and calm. Anytime, anywhere, great for setting makeup or relieving redness and dryness on the go. And for your inner beauty glow, try the GNM Pomegranate Collagen Jelly Stick. Each true stick is packed with low molecular collagen and antioxidant-rich pomegranate. Just one of these supports skin elasticity and hydration from within.